Hi, I'm Kerry Brand. I'm with Plantronics, and this is Joe Stahula. He's also works with me at Plantronics. We're here today to show you not an application, but actually a device integration with WebRTC. The Plantronics devices, like this one right here, have capacitive sensors built into them, so we're able to actually harvest sensor information from the device. We're also able to calculate things like how far away you are from your PC and actually surface those events onto the PC. This works very well, and what you're seeing on the screen right now is an output window. So we have an application that's running on the PC here that has the Plantronics SDK running. Joe's also got one running on his. And you can see that there was an event that just propagated up on the PC that said, I'll read it for you since I know in the back it's very hard to read this, but it says proximity is near. So Joe has a headset, it's paired with this laptop, and it just sent a near event. So what I'm going to show is how we can integrate this headset into the WebRTC call flow. And this is the same demo we showed this morning, so if you were here this morning, my apologies. Okay, so when I put this headset on, the sensors in the headset will trigger an event on the PC. That event will be propagated up through the SDK and launch Firefox. So we're using a nightly build of Mozilla, and hopefully if all things go well, this will launch Firefox. And I should receive some voice authentication, so the PC out should be on. So I'm going to turn up my volume here just a little bit, and hopefully it won't blow out the speakers.
Welcome to the WebRTC Demo. Please say your username.
Okay. Kerry.
Hi, Kerry. Please say your passphrase.
Dog.
Authenticated. Accessing your webpage information. Your Mozilla browser ID is being used to log in.
Okay, so what just happened there was the integrations that we can do today with the PC. Now Joe is doing the exact same thing here. So Joe is actually logging in as well. I'm a little bit more modest. But again, we can see how the browser is being launched from just voice commands from the headset. So I'm going to sign in, and Joe will sign in here. So what we've done here is we can surface those events, as I said, very well to the PC, but with the SDK and WebSockets, we can actually surface those events up to the browser for call control. So Joe should be able to call me, and I should be able to answer the call using the headset. So what this is doing, hopefully, is surfacing the events from the PC up to the browser, and then I'll be able to answer the call, not using the screen or anything, but just using a button press from the headset. So the headset behaves like a normal headset should. If we didn't have this type of integration, all you would have really is an endpoint on your ear that has speakers and a microphone. So you lose all of the headset functionality when it goes to the browser. So,
well, let's see if this will work. So what Kerry was describing earlier is if you look on Kerry's screen where you see my status, when I take my headset off, the screen updates and says, okay, Joe's present, meaning the proximity of my headset to my PC knows I'm in the vicinity, but I'm not wearing the headset. I put it back on, you're going to see that status will change back to just saying that I'm present or available.
Right. So again, those events are being surfaced up. So hopefully, I can give Joe, or actually Joe can give me a call.
I will do that.
And we're going to show basic call answering functionality here.
Incoming call from Joe.
Okay, so I'm going to press the button here, again, not touch the screen, and hopefully it'll answer the call. Okay, so that just showed how we can actually integrate in. Again, the call, I'm going to take this off so I can hear myself. So the audio is actually going through the headset, so I was getting a little bit of an echo. But the call itself is being transmitted through the browser, and then what we're doing is we're sending information down to the Plantronics SDK saying there's a call coming in. What the Plantronics SDK has done is it's surfaced information about things like sample rate, number of channels that are supported on the headset, so we can actually make that audio connection happen. So again, that's kind of another thing that when you're integrating a headset into WebRTC, you have to think about is sample rate and number of channels that are supported by the device. So anyways, I'm going to end this call like so by pushing this button, and there we go. And all of the source code, as I said this morning, is available on github.com. I've tweeted about it, and it's hashtagged with this conference. So if you're interested in the source code, come see me over at the booth here. We can get you set up, or if you have any questions about the demo. So, thanks.
Thanks.